You Can Sell is a book by Shiv Khera that provides practical advice and strategies for success in sales. The book emphasizes the importance of having a positive attitude, the power of persistence, the value of effective communication and negotiation skills, and the need to constantly improve and stay informed. Additionally, the book stresses the importance of understanding the customer's needs and tailoring your approach accordingly, and the importance of building and maintaining strong relationships with clients. Overall, the book aims to equip readers with the knowledge and tools they need to become successful salespeople. Some important lessons from Shiv Khera's book You Can Sell include the importance of having a positive attitude, the power of persistence, the value of effective communication and negotiation skills, and the need to constantly improve and stay informed. Additionally, the book emphasizes the importance of understanding the customer's needs and tailoring your approach accordingly, and the importance of building and maintaining strong relationships with clients. Positive attitude. A positive attitude is essential for success in sales. It helps you to stay motivated and focused, and to approach every situation with confidence and enthusiasm. For example, if you believe that you can make a sale, you are more likely to put in the extra effort and overcome any obstacles that may arise. Persistence. Persistence is key in sales, as it takes time and effort to close a deal. For example, if you are selling a high-priced item, it may take multiple meetings and follow-up calls to close the sale. Effective communication and negotiation skills. Good communication and negotiation skills are crucial in sales. For example, being able to clearly and effectively communicate the benefits of your product or service to a potential customer, and being able to negotiate a fair price, can make a big difference in whether or not a sale is made. Constantly improving and staying informed. Sales is a dynamic field, and it's important to stay informed about new products, services, and trends in order to remain competitive. For example, a salesperson who is knowledgeable about the latest technology and is able to discuss it with a customer will be more likely to make a sale. Understanding the customer's needs. Understanding the customer's needs is essential in sales, as it allows you to tailor your approach and present the product or service in a way that will be most appealing to the customer. For example, if you are selling a product that is designed for busy professionals, you will want to emphasize the time-saving features of the product. Building and maintaining strong relationships. Building and maintaining strong relationships with clients is essential in sales. A good salesperson will work to build trust and rapport with their clients, and will work to maintain that relationship over time. For example, a salesperson who takes the time to follow up with a client after a sale, and stays in touch with them over time, is more likely to earn repeat business.